Good day, sir. I'm Bill James Agaro from Point 32. Now I'm answering the question for midterm examination. Number 1. What are the forms of settlement mandated under the amicable settlement at the barangay level? All amicable settlements should be in writing, in a language or dialect known to the parties, signed by them and attested to by the Lupon chairman or the Pangkat chairman, as the case may be. When the parties to the dispute do not use the same language or dialect, the settlement shall be written in the language known to them. Number 2. Make a distinction between the function of the OADR and Lupol Tagapamayapa. Function of OADR: to promote, develop, and expand the use of ADR in the private-public sector through information and education communication. To monitor, study, and evaluate the use of ADR by private and public sector for purposes of, among others, policy formulation. To recommend to Congress needful statutory changes to develop, strength, and improve ADR practices in accordance with international professional standards. Function of Lupon Tagapamayapa. The Lupon has the following function: exercise administrative supervision over the conciliation panels provided herein, meet regularly once a month to provide a forum for exchange of ideas among its members and the public on matters relevant to the amicable settlement of dispute, and to enable various conciliation panel members to share with one another their observation and experience in affecting speedy resolution of disputes, exercise such other power, and performs at such other duties and function as may be prescribed by law or ordinance. Number 3. How does international arbitration differ from domestic arbitration in relation to the rules of ADR system? While domestic ADR provides alternative to court disposition, often times in international ADR, there is no ready to or law to turn to. Thus, ADR is even more important international disputes. Also, while international arbitration is more established, international mediation may also be an ideal solution. Number 4. What are the different instances where the parties to a dispute may go directly to the court? The parties may go directly to the court in the following instances: where the accused is under detention, where a person has otherwise been deprived of his liberty, calling for habeas corpus proceeding, where actions are coupled with provisional remedies such as preliminary injunction, attachment, delivery of personal property, and support pendent, where the action may otherwise be barred by the statute of limitation. Number 5. Describe the character of office and service of Lupon members. The Lupon members, while in the performance in their duties or on the occasion thereof, shall be deemed as person in authority as defined in the revised penal code. The Lupon or Pangkat members shall serve without compensation except as provided under the code. The Department of the Interior and local government shall provide for a system of granting economic or other incentive to the Lupon or Pangkat members who adequately demonstrate the ability to judicially and expeditiously resolve cases referred to them while in the performance of their duty. The Lupon or Pangkat members, whether in public or private employment, shall be deemed to be on official time and shall not suffer from any diminution in compensation or allowance from said employment by reason thereof.